speech.
Good evening, everyone. Gabriel Juan Carlos Baculi Palad, representing Philippines for Mr. Teen Glam International 2024. My advocacy speaks about youth empowerment. Youth empowerment means providing them with opportunities, resources, and support in order for them to gain their full potential. This means listening to their voices, insights, and involving them in decision-making processes that will affect their lives. When we empower youth, we can create a more inclusive and equitable society. We enable everyone to contribute meaningfully to their communities, drive positive change, and build a better world for themselves and future generations. Let's invest for a brighter tomorrow and support youth empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you so much.